Hey, what is up, y'all? It is me, Kim Kardashian, developer advocate for Flow. We got some awesome updates for those of you building on Flow so you can stay informed and updated on the latest news for all your development needs. Let's dive right into it. First up, Flow's access nodes will now offer RESTful API endpoints. Super cool. And of course, we have a new FCL version to match, now enabling this transport layer. This has been in the works for 2 months, so let's give a big shout out to the team for making this possible. Jeff, Vishal, Gregor, and of course the rest of the FCL and Access Node teams. Thank you all for your awesome work. Previously, access nodes only worked with gRPC, which, if you're familiar, can sometimes require multiple steps before being able to talk to the Flow network. Now, with HTTP and REST, it's now easier than ever to connect to Flow. So, where can you find all the API specifications? Well, there's a YAML file and Swagger docs available on our Flow docs page. If you come across any bugs, please report them by creating an issue in our GitHub repo. Links are down below. Of course, now with the HTTP API, use cases for Unity or other environments such as console have now been unlocked because FCL will now be accessible in those environments. Looking forward to putting your games on my wish list. What about performance improvements? The results speak for themselves. We were able to reduce payload sizes by 80% with HTTP transport. How so? We've removed all the extra gRPC fluff and just returned the raw JSON file, keeping it short and sweet. Links on how to use HTTP in FCL are in the description box. Next up, FCL Discovery API. FCL has now open sourced its Discovery API, which is used to render and display a list of all available Flow wallets for users to onboard to your dApp. We're all pretty familiar with the default UI on the left, but now with the Discovery API, you can create and customize the front end for wallet selection. Super neat. We also had an FCL demo by Chase during our weekly office hours, walking you through on how you can customize this for your application. We've included a link, so if you're curious, definitely do check that out. On to OpenCadence. Inspired by OpenAI, OpenCadence is created by one of our engineers that curated, commented, and made playground samples for common use cases for Cadence in real-world contracts and applications. This is a great tool if you're just starting out and learning from examples, or if you're building your application, then there are definitely great snippets you can use as resources. This is still fairly new, so if you'd like to help improve it or even share your Cadence snippets with the community, GitHub link is down below for those who'd like to contribute. Last but not least, if you haven't heard, the NFT Metadata standard is now merged in. We're currently adding more content around why it's important for current and future NFT projects to implement, along with real code samples and examples. Check out the forum post and the links below for full context and to learn more. We'd like to make sure that this standard supports various metadata types, so if you don't see something that works with your project, be sure to propose a new type to be included in the standard. Those were some pretty cool updates, if I do say so myself. Can't wait to see all the creative layouts for those wallet selections. Or maybe we'll see some innovative dApps now that the HTTP API is available. Hope these updates were useful. Feel free to leave a comment by letting us know what you're most excited about or something that you're working on. See ya in the next updates and stay awesome, folks. Bye!